I'm Maria, and today I'm going to show you 20. That's right, 20 Gmail search operators so that you can become a Gmail wizard in 2021. If you want to master your inbox, you need to be using Gmail search operators. Think of Gmail search operators as shortcuts for quickly finding things in your inbox. In this video, I'm going to tell you about search operators and show you plenty of search operators that you are going to want to use. But before we get too far, I want to let you know that there will be links to more resources in the video's description. And remember, subscribe and ring that bell to get more notifications for helpful content. So let's get started. Gmail search operators, also known as Gmail search commands, are text strings made up of words and symbols that you can use in the Gmail search box to help filter your inbox or Gmail search results. You can also combine operators to filter your results even more. Through the use of these commands to modify your search, you can get much more satisfying Gmail search results and generally just find things faster. Here's what Gmail operators in action look like. Using a Gmail search operator is pretty easy. Just click in the search box that sits above your inbox and type in your operator. Entering your search operators or keywords for searching your inbox messages works just like Google search. From here, just use whatever operator you need to filter your Gmail search results. You can also combine multiple Gmail search operators to filter your results even more. If you want to view a list of all emails that were sent to you by a specific person, use this search operator. When you start typing in a name after from, suggested contacts from your company and from your Google contacts will appear below the search bar. Click a contact to fill in their email address. If you want to return emails that were sent to a specific email address, use this Gmail search operator. You can use the operator with a specific email address, or you can type the name of the person. In the latter version, you will see a list of emails that were sent to anyone with this name. Sender and recipient searches won't apply to the CC, carbon copied, or BCC, blind carbon copied field. To search these areas, there are separate search operators. Use the CC or BCC operators to see a list of emails that were sent in these particular fields. To list the messages from specific mailing lists, use the list command followed by the address of the mailing list. The most basic search in Gmail is when you don't use any operator. Just type a keyword in the search bar. For example, if you know you have an email with a specific word somewhere in it, or if there's a topic you're interested in searching, simply type that word or phrase into the search bar and hit enter. If the phrase you would like to search for contains more than one word, use the quotation marks to start an exact search. This will only return emails that contain the quoted phrase exactly. You can search for emails by the contents of their subject lines. By using the subject operator followed by a word or phrase you would like to find, you can specifically search only within the subject lines. You can search only for messages that have an attachment with the has attachment Gmail search operator. Gmail filters your emails and only shows the messages that contain a file attachment of any kind, regardless of file type or format. This Gmail search operator will cause the advanced search filters to appear. Just select the type of attachment you want to see, and Gmail will automatically filter your inbox accordingly. If you use Google Drive and frequently send such files, you can use several search operators for specific Google Drive attachments. Has Drive will show you any emails with any Drive attachment. You can also use specifically Has Spreadsheet for Google Spreadsheet attachments, Has Document for Google Docs documents, and Has Presentation for Google Slides slideshow presentations. To search for messages that contain YouTube videos, use the search operator Has YouTube. This will show only the emails that contain an embedded YouTube link. The Filename Gmail search operator can be used to search for emails that have an attachment with a specific title or a specific extension that appears in its name. For example, if you remember that an email had an attachment with a specific name, you can easily find it with this operator. You can also return any emails with a certain extension. You can also focus your search to a specific email label by combining with the label operator like this. Label, important file name, PDF. Use the in search operator to find emails in a specific folder, for example, the spam folder or any custom folder you created. You can also use the in Gmail search operator followed by anywhere to search throughout your entire Gmail history. You can return the messages from a certain category in your Gmail account with the category search operator followed by the name of the category. You can search for emails with a specific status in your Gmail account. Just put the condition after the is search operator to return these marked messages. If you are looking for messages from a certain time period, you can use the commands before and after for emails sent before or after a specific date. Alternatively, you can use older instead of before and newer instead of after, as they are practically the same. The date must be given in date format, year, month, date. You can filter emails that have a specific label. To do this, use the label Gmail operator followed by the name of the label you're searching for. You can use a minus before the word to remove some unwanted messages from your search. This operator will exclude any emails that have a specific keyword you type after the minus sign. If you want to list the messages that exceed a certain size in bytes, use the size operator followed by the number of bytes. This way, Gmail will return all messages with attachments or content that make them larger than the size you searched for. You can also use abbreviations. For example, 15M for 15 million. You can combine multiple conditions and create more specific and accurate searches. The AND Gmail operator ensures that both of the operator value pairs apply to your search. Using two conditions separated with space and without the AND operator gives the same result. Putting OR between two operator value pairs will return a list of emails that meet either of the two conditions. Now you know how to use Gmail search operators. Hopefully your days of getting lost in your inbox are over. Kinsta's WordPress hosting can speed up your website by up to 200%, and you'll get 24/7 support from our expert WordPress engineers. Let us show you the Kinsta difference. Try a free demo of our My Kinsta dashboard at demo.kinsta.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this.